Yeah, welcome you again. So I have stopped here in the first session and there's my object. Let me zoom in here. Yeah. Similarly, I need to maintain on this periphery of the surface also, like maintaining some distance. So from the bottom to here, it is maintaining some 55 mm distance, and it is length of 70. So it's hardly it will be center again 35 length. So from here to here it will be 35, and from here to here will be 55. So let me maintain that one. So on this periphery, I'm going to draw a sketch here. Uh, just I will save it. Yeah. Uh, Maintain a reference plane. Okay, for center and one more reference plane at horizontal. So from this edge to this line length is 55, and this have to maintain a constraint one. Select this line, make a construction. Similarly for with respect to vertical line also. Then now maintain constraint with respect to vertical. This distance is 35. This is 31.42, so make into 35. So now it is exactly at center. So now I can go with a circle. A circle is having a diameter of here also same diameter, I think so. No, it is 20 mm diameter. It is represented clearly here, and this is 35 radius. So a circle center from this, it is having a diameter of 20 mm. See, when it is green in color, that is fully constant. I already said you. And again, from the same center, I need to maintain a centered arc. From the same center, I need to maintain some here, somewhere here like this. Why? Because this one I don't want to be placed anywhere. And the radius of this segment is 35. And again, I do the same from here. See, this can be drawn anywhere, like unwanted portions can be drawn anywhere outside, but when your dimensions are well exactly known, you can give the dimensions also. This portion have to remove, so in that connection I am taking some additional line from outside, so the remaining segments which is there, that I can able to remove. So I will go with trim this unwanted portion, zoom in here further. This unwanted portion I had to remove, so I have removed that one. This one unwanted, yeah. And at here I need to remove this one. Double click here on with that I can able to do continuous operations. So I have done that one, and I will say again exit from the command, and I will go with pocket again. See, this pocket has been generated. So in the starting I said you one thing, that the plane supposed to be at center. So I added the material here. If you see, this is the main part body. If I hold control, if I scroll forward direction, it will zoom in, will be taken. So under this part, everything will be there. Under this part body, the part which you are going to create it, that will be under this part tree, part body itself. So this named as tree. If sometimes this tree will be invisible, like if I place F3, if I press F3 from my keyboard, again the same kind of tree will be available for in front of you. And I said you that mid center planes, right? Like if I play this one, so this is the first pad which I have taken. So I will do one thing. define it, and I will say uh, here it is 70 mm, so I will go with 35, that is 70 by 2, and I will say mirror extension. Whether the part has been updated or not, I need to check whether in that connection you have to, your object supposed to be like, it's supposed to update. So some red color will come and go if the little bit changes have done, so definitely the module can be updated. But if your changes are not exactly done with you, it will, system will give you, I mean the software will give you some errors. You need to rectify those errors into itself. So I will say the preview. See here, now the planes are at center. I will tilt it and show you. See here, the planes are at center. If I say okay, see this has been, this type of diagnosis update have to be taken for you by you. So when you have to edit this one, so this type of uh, uh, errors will be available when you are changing maximum type of uh, your object, maximum changes in your object. So as just now I said you, some abstract dialog box will come into picture in front of you. So here it is saying you clearly, but the sketch 2, this sketch is either over constraint or it is an inconsistent. So that means you have to maintain the constraints. So one constraint to other constraint you need to get update. The shortcut key from your keyboard is Control plus U. It will gives you the update shortcut key from your keyboard. And if you see this one, this symbol is the update symbol where you can have in your tools itself. So if I say edit, again I need to change this particular position. Why? Because previously this circle was there here. Now it has been generated updated one from here to here. So in that connection, everywhere you have to change. Okay. Because I pressed Control plus Z from my keyboard and I have updated the model, and this is my final output. Okay. Uh, Next to this, uh, you need to do one more thing. The next one is your orthographic projections without sectioning one. This will represent you the detailed drawing of your object, like right side view, left side view, front view, top view, bottom view, and all. So like this, you can able to generate your views. Okay, I will show you in the next module to full-fledged your drafting module. Okay, thank you.